In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make drums in BandLab. First, head to BandLab Online and click Login. To keep things quick, choose the option to sign in with Google, pick your Google account, and confirm by hitting Continue. Once you're in, look for Library at the top and open it. From here, choose the project you want to add drums to. If you're starting fresh, any empty or existing project will work just fine. Inside the project page, open Studio. This is where we'll build the beat. In Studio, click Add Track. A panel of instrument choices appears. Choose Drum Machine. This loads a step sequencer with a grid and a default kit. For today's example, let's pick a warm, relaxed kit like Lo-Fi Jam so the sounds fit a chill groove. If you want to browse more sounds, click the kit name at the top, often labeled something like 808, to open the full list of kits and drum pads. Audition a few, then select the one that matches your vibe. Now let's program the pattern. The grid is read left to right, and each row is a different drum sound: kick, snare, hi-hat, and so on. Click any box to place a hit, and click again to remove it. Start simple. A kick near the first beat, a snare in the middle, and hi-hats sprinkled evenly for rhythm. Press play to hear it loop and adjust until it feels right. If you want a fast starting point, try the built-in pre-made patterns labeled A and B, then tweak them by adding or removing hits so it becomes your own. When your pattern sounds good, add it to your song. Click and drag the Add button from the drum machine onto the arrangement timeline, and drop it exactly where you want the beat to begin. You can place multiple copies to build a verse or chorus, and you can return to the drum machine at any time to make variations that keep the track interesting. A couple of quick tips as you work. Use headphones to catch timing and balance. Keep an eye on the kick and snare relationship for groove, and don't be afraid to mute or swap kits if the tone isn't sitting right. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, loaded the drum machine, selected a kit, programmed a pattern, and arranged it on the timeline. Experiment with different kits and patterns, and you'll have a solid drum foundation in minutes.